Did you ever wonder why your sweet cat sleeps in those adorable little circles? Cats have fascinating sleeping habits that help them stay comfortable and safe. When cats curl up tight, they conserve their body heat during restful sleep. This position also keeps vulnerable organs protected, providing a sense of security. Additionally, sleeping in circles allows them to quickly spring into action if needed. So, next time you see your kitty sleeping in a circle, just appreciate their instincts. For more adorable cat insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kitty Club.